Okay, so let's take a look at how you can create cross list template in Coda. So we start with the free workspace and then create new document. Now we start with blank document. You can even use template, but that defeats the purpose here. So we start with blank, and here we will have to create a template. So we need a table, right? So what we can do, can write the header, then we use /, then we go for table. Right now here what I can do, can start with one of the column here. In first column we choose item, then in second we choose the store, then we use unit, then we use price. But let me remove this default note 1 to price here. Right now we will have to adjust these each column for specific use case. So for unit it has to be a number, so column type, and here we will go with number, right? So it is number, then so is price, again number. Okay, then we also add one more column, status, right? So we rename this to status. So status, it needs to be purchased, pending, so multiple option, right? So what we can do, choose this column type, then let's say status or priority, right? So we can choose that option as well, 0 1 2 3, right? Small, medium, large, or we can even create a new out of this list, right? So we can see use purchased, pending, or postponed, and final would be others, right? So that's the list we want to use here. Then we have like price, right? So with price we can go floating number as well, unit same. Now comes the store part. So store can be a list too. So we can go to column type, select list, and for that you can again create a new list, and here you can add the name of all the malls you have, right? Then I have few of the options here, so I will choose from that, right? So let's see. Right, so these are some of the options within the list, and we have it. Now we can give each of them some conditional colors. So conditional format, let's say store has green color, right? Now let's go with status. So status, we choose some conditional color, let's say gray color, right? Now we have like unit, right? So here we choose conditional format, and for unit color scale you have, right? So we can choose some scale, right? Or you can simply use conditional format, then instead of scale you can, let's say, choose for value is greater than or so, based on that color will change, right? So you can use that option as well. So apart from that, we can also have price for our column conditional, right? So let's see if I choose to use any other options, like say column type, and then say that number is a progress, right? So it's not a price, and whether it is in purchase also, that we can add as well. So considering this is just a number for price, we will go with conditional format, go with red. Right now we have, let's see, first item scrub. We are going to buy it from one of them all. Then unit 2, price 2.99. Then status, let's see, pending. Then you have another one, say kitchen cleaner, purchased it from some online, 1 unit and 5.99. Status here would be purchased. Right, so like this you can create your own grocery list tracker and then adjust it for your own use.